Hello and welcome to the third step of making baklava. And at this stage, we're gonna knead the dough. I have already measured everything that I need for my baklava. As you can see that I've got 250 grams of all-purpose flour. I've got one egg, 3.75 grams of salt. We've got 65 grams of liquid milk, and we're gonna mix them all together. By the way, this is I have sifted this flour. Okay, so adding the salt, just like that. I have mixed the salt properly. Now I'm gonna add in my egg. And I'm gonna add in my milk. And I've got extra milk just in case if I need to add more. It depends. I mean, if I feel like my dough is a bit dry, then I'm gonna add in more milk. So it definitely feels a bit dry, so I'm just gonna add in a little bit milk, 10 grams max, and continue kneading my dough. If you have a dough mixer, then you don't have to worry about doing it manually. Just put everything in there to the bowl and it will do the job. So when it comes to making baklava, you cannot make your dough too soft. You shouldn't, because it's gonna cause you trouble when you start rolling your dough. So don't add too much liquid. And you gotta knead it. You have to knead it until you get to see a shine on the dough, which is a bit difficult, especially when you are doing it using your hands. But if you are using dough mixer, be it commercial or home dough mixer, wait till you see a shine. When you see a shine on the dough, it means that your dough is ready. Just be gentle. You have to knead it really well. And I'm gonna use the back of my knife to clear my hands. This is the, I would say this is the hardest part of baking, especially if you gotta do it using your hand. I mean the kneading. If you have a dough mixer, then it's a lot easier. A lot easier. You just, put everything on the mixing bowl, turn on the machine, and relax. Enjoy a cup of coffee. In 10 to 12 minutes, your dough will be ready. And guess what? You don't have to clean up your hands like that. All right. So you see how I'm kneading my dough? What I'm doing is bringing the bottom part of the dough on top and then pushing it down like this. And that's how you should knead when you are doing it manually. Knead properly, make sure everything is mixed. So I'm gonna leave it for rest because it's quite late at night and I'm not gonna bake my baklava tonight because it's already way too late. So what's gonna happen is that once I'm done kneading my dough, I'm gonna wrap this up on a clear film and I'm gonna put it into the refrigerator. And let me just just feel my dough just a little bit. Alright, so I kind of like the way it feels, so I'm just gonna wrap this up, put it into the refrigerator, and I'm gonna roll it tomorrow, and we'll bake it tomorrow. So that's pretty much it. See you on the next step. Thanks, bye bye.